everybody, happy Saturday, March 23rd. The regular season starts at Busch Gardens today. I have a special adventure I'm going to be going on today, and I'll show you some of the ins and outs of New Busch Gardens.
That's a mess. Yeah. This table really is not for you, buddy. I just have a feeling that one of these times it's all going down.
They're gonna grab this. Just pull it down.
Okay. So Ireland does have a great dining area underneath the pergola full of wisteria. In the summer it's going to start blooming and just has really beautiful flowers. Also there is the man-made lake behind it. It's a little hard to see, but there's a heron out there on the log. I'm going to eat my meal. I got a corned beef, a Reuben with potatoes. One thing about the Reuben I was pretty surprised about, they don't actually have any Thousand Island, so I'm going to use spicy brown mustard for it.
I think our biggest advice for the springtime at Busch Gardens is to watch the weather. If it's a beautiful day out, the park's gonna be crowded. And now here's the footage of Finnegan's Flyers. We have some footage from Saturday and from Sunday of opening weekend.
And they just installed the top piece of Finnegan's Flyers. Looks like that's going to be the swinging mechanism. We saw one of them out in the parking lot. Looks really great. They also have the train going by, Loch Ness Monster. The sky ride's going to go right above it. They did have the sky ride closed though because they are working on construction for Finnegan's Flyers, so that was just a safety issue.
So I am at the exit of the Griffin, and you can see a lot of the progress on Finnegan's Flyers.
Be sure to like and subscribe just the way the squirrel likes his french fries. Oh, you're a cutie. If he's just gonna eat his fry, I'm just gonna hang out too.